Here at Angela Krause Ford Fleet, we have a brand new 2023 Transit 250 high roof, 148 wheelbase long, not an extended. Let's go over here, check out the old spec sheet. As mentioned, she's a 23, it's a 148 wheelbase, 3.5 V6 gas engine in Oxford white, classic fleet color. Check out the specs. She's a 4.1 limited slip axle, the front license plate bracket for a front plate state. You got the 90/70 gross vehicle weight rating package, the reverse sensing system, the Sync 3 radio with a 4-inch screen for the backup cam, cruise control, front overhead shelf, 2 extra keys giving you 4 in total, load area protection package, and the vinyl floorings. Check her out. See, she's got the short arm power mirrors with a very good blind spot mirror on here. Let's go inside. You got the nice dark gray vinyl seats that came out looking like black leather. Driver gets a full captain's chair with armrest. Passenger, they just put their arms in their lap. There's your front overhead shelf, handy for all extra paperwork. There's your light switch. Your rear LED lighting for the cargo. Let's look up top here. You got a lightning charger, 12 volt USB, another 12 volt here. There's your 4-inch screen with your Sync 3 for your backup cam. Vinyl flooring. Let's go to the back. This is a manual slide door, not automatic. As you can see, no glass except for the front. You got the front driver window, front passenger, and the windshield. Otherwise, there's no other glass back here, no break-in points. There's the vinyl flooring. As you can see, it's just the vinyl floor covering with some sound deadening. We can put the HD flooring in if you like. This here is the cargo protection, the load area protection package for the walls. These can come off if you want to put any sort of shelving or rack up in here. Let's go outside. Same thing, there's no running boards yet. We can put those on if you like. All upfits we can do here in-house at Krause Ford Fleet. Transit 250. There's your high-mounted backup cam. No trailer tow package yet. As mentioned, all upfits for work or play, ladder racks, wrapping, lights, shelving, anything you can think of, we knock it out here at Krause Ford Fleet. Our fleet department is 404-729-1374. If you want to drive her home, we'll pick you up at the airport. We are in Atlanta, or I can put her on a flatbed, send her anywhere in the country for you. All the information for this vehicle and our contact will be down in the description.